Welcome to the Chime Credit Builder monthly payment tutorial. This guide will walk you through the process of making monthly payments using Chime Credit Builder, a tool designed to help you build credit while avoiding overspending. First, you need to understand how Chime Credit Builder works. It is a secured credit card that allows you to set a spending limit and make monthly payments to build credit. The key concept here is that your spending limit is determined by the amount you transfer to your Credit Builder secured account, which is held by Chime. To make a monthly payment, start by logging into your Chime mobile app. Navigate to the Credit Builder tab and select the Make a Payment option. You will then be prompted to choose the payment amount and method. You can choose to pay the full balance, the minimum payment due, or a custom amount. When choosing your payment amount, consider your budget and financial goals. It is essential to make on-time payments to build a positive credit history. Chime Credit Builder reports your payments to the major credit bureaus, so making timely payments will help you establish a good credit score. In addition to making payments, it is crucial to monitor your account activity and spending limit. You can do this by checking your account balance and transaction history in the Chime app. This will help you stay on top of your finances and avoid overspending. To get the most out of Chime Credit Builder, make sure to make regular payments and keep your utilization rate low. This means keeping your outstanding balance below 30% of your spending limit. By following these best practices, you can effectively build credit and improve your financial health. In conclusion, making monthly payments using Chime Credit Builder is a straightforward process that can help you build credit and achieve your financial goals. By understanding how the tool works, making timely payments, and monitoring your account activity, you can take control of your finances and establish a positive credit history.